Ahmadu Bello, wai da duda kowa bai wani na lokaci, kowa bai wani na lokaci ne. Ahmadu sai da ya yi miliki, ya rike jama'a ta yi da kyau. Na tare da kai mai yanzu na tare da kai mai gobe na tare da kai mai ce ba. Diga biyan jan arewa Ahmadu abin da kai mana Najeriya. Alegala gana de ala tunaga, Ahmadu ji rama ala kanji dambare, ore ala gabara jama, ore ala gabara jama, jao jale ne ma, Ahmadu ala ne dikane, apatao jai baya da saula, yanzu kuda wani kamate, masoro.
I understand that you are one of the teachers at the school here. Is that correct? Huh?
Yes, I'm very interested.
And what are you teaching here?
I'm teaching English, arithmetic, geography, history, and nature study.
Uh-huh. May I ask how old you are? I know it's not quite polite, but I will anyway.
I'm 21 years old.
And you have a little baby with you?
Yes.
You turn around so you have a look at it. Hello! Do you always carry your baby with you to work?
Yes.
Do you have many children?
No, I have only one.
Uh-huh.
And her name is Aisha too.
I see.
Yes.
Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions about what it is like to be a woman in this community. I know that in many Islamic communities, the women are beginning to, well, shall I say, talk about emancipation and so forth.
No. In Islamic, we have more than one wife.
Yes.
And those who are workers have to be careful. There is so much trouble with our husbands.
Trouble with the husbands?
Yes, if you are working.
Uh-huh. You mean there is...
Sometimes they don't like it. Most of the men, they don't like working women.
They don't like working women?
No.
Uh-huh.
And there is so much trouble. And sometimes they separate with the women.
You mean the women are not being treated fairly, huh?
No.
No. Well, are you personally against a husband having more than one wife?
Yes, I am against it
Uh-huh.
because there is so much trouble in it if they're good.
Uh-huh. Do you think that the women here will do something about it to change it? Or are most of them content, or will most of them just let it go as it is?
I don't think there will be change since it is against in our religion.
Mm-hmm.
It is Islamic religion, so that I don't think there is change in the future.
Not in
But mostly now they have one wife.
I see. So some of the women are protesting then.
Yes.
Does your husband have more than you?
No, he has only myself.
And he won't have any more, you think?
No, I don't think. But I think in the future he will have
Uh-huh.
another one.
And you're not going to like that?
No, I don't like that.
Old established